I'm going to show you how to finish off this isometric view of the cleat by doing the cleat detail. So there's an extra little cylinder that sticks down here, and it does have a through hole and a chamfer that we're going to have to draw into it. I'm using a help sheet that's provided, and this is actually really helpful. It gives a lot of the dimensions that we need right here. It does walk you through step by step how to do it. My steps are going to be a little bit different. I do mine a little bit differently than that help sheet does. So you're welcome to follow the help sheet or my video or both. So what I'm going to actually do is to start off with an iso circle, and it's the ellipse I for iso circle. I'm just going to use the same center point, just snap to the center point of that bottom iso circle that I've already got. And this one is going to be a diameter of 1.42. And I'm just going to copy this thing straight down. I think the book wants you to draw some construction lines. I'm doing mine without construction lines. I'm just going to copy this straight down. The overall distance is going to be 1.812. And since it does have that chamfer to it, I'm actually going to just put the smaller diameter. So let me pull this back over so you can see with the smaller diameter. I've got the bigger one of 1.42. I'm going to put the smaller diameter iso circle 1.22 right in the center of that. So coming back in here, I'm going to do my ellipse I for iso circle. Started at that same center point. De-enter 1.22. So I've got them concentric right now, and what I need to do now is just take that bigger one. Since this is a chamfer, that bigger one goes up a distance of 0.1. So I'm going to do my move command. Select this guy anywhere for a base point. I did an F5 so I can go straight up, and I'm just going to type in my distance of 0.1, and that gives me my little chamfer. It just barely hangs out there, but it's enough that you could actually see it. I'm going to go ahead and trim this so you can see my little chamfer, and I'll go ahead and connect from quadrant to quadrant. Alright, so I'm almost done with this thing. Let me go ahead and trim this out. I'm still going to put in that through hole, but I'll go ahead and do my trim command. I like to keep it nice and clean. So that's what it's going to end up looking like here and here. So really we're just going to end up with this part down here. I'll ultimately erase this circle, but I do need that circle to get the dimension for that through hole. So I'm going to come over here and draw a line. I'll just take it from the center, bring it out any distance, just so long as it goes past that circle. That way I have an intersection of that circle in the line, and I'm going to bring a line straight down, and my distance there is going to be 1.25. Now that I've got the exact point for that hole, I'm going to do my ellipse command, I for iso circle, starting right here, again F5 till you get the right iso circle. We're doing iso left, and this guy has a diameter, so de-enter 0.53. So all of these were just construction lines to help me get there, and I will trim out that little piece, and I am completely done with the cleat.